Hey everybody, it's Dennis Harlow again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and our topic of identity, who you really are and why it matters. Today is day 17, and we're going to talk about how identity grows with patience. Listen, the body changes slowly, and that's really not a problem. We know that. We've known that when maybe you worked out and you built some muscle. It didn't happen overnight, okay? But rushing creates frustration. Every time we rush to do something, it frustrates us when we don't get the results we're looking for. But patience builds sustainability. That's the key right there. Now, a lot of people like to say, "Wow, I need my identity to change right now." Okay, that's fine. But identity grows quietly. It starts with one good decision at a time. So stay patient, stay consistent. The change you want is already happening inside you right now. Now, please like and follow if you're planning on staying steady and realistic and are looking for more guidance. God bless everybody. I hope this helps. Have a great day, and we'll see you for day 18. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.